Welcome to Natroyal Group. Natroyal Group is a 60 years old group. It have various products. One of the product is the PVC vinyl flooring, which is manufactured in the brand name Royal House by the Royal Cushion Vinyl Products Limited. Royal Cushion is a 35 years old company. It's listed in the Bombay Stock Exchange and it got about 4,000 shareholders. It has various dealers. Its dealer network is all over the India. It also engages in exports of the product. Currently, it is manufacturing the PVC floor covering and it has recently developed the LVT. This product will be now full-fledged launch in the market and this will give a good market name of the Royal House. And dealers who are associated with the company will be doing a distribution of this product. The turnover is expected to be doubled shortly by this product and this will be beneficial for all the stakeholders. It will create a lot of employment and it will help to the various dealers and employees